not lie when they say God's timing is always right. God is never late. One thing about God is gonna be there for you. Over your cousin, she's finally leaving her answered prayer. I did not see this one coming. Let me tell you. So do you still remember when Vuyokazi got married to Xolani, the chef from the UK? So there was this day where Vuyokazi posted a passport, and people were so happy to Vuyokazi to say at least she's gonna move from South Africa to go stay with her husband. Unfortunately, things ended for Xolani and Vuyokazi. Obviously, we all know that, and it was really a bad situation, guys. And people are really feeling sorry for Vuyokazi. Some even advised her to go back to school. Some even advised her to start a YouTube channel. Others were like, Vuyokazi, you need to focus on your kids. There were a lot of comments from people, showing hate to Vuyokazi. But let me tell you guys, so Vuyokazi today posted something, guys. Some even ask Vuyokazi, where are you going to use your passport? Because you and Xolani, it ended in tears. Guess what? So guys, Vuyokazi, she's going to Turkey, guys. As you can see on the picture, is Turkish Airlines check-in. Vuyokazi, she's traveling, honey. Let me tell you, I still remember when people were asking Vuyokazi, what can you do about your passport? But let me tell you, this is what she's using her passport for, guys. Traveling, living her best life. Congratulations to I know some of you don't like us talking about Vuyokazi, but let me tell you guys, there's someone out there who's looking up to Vuyokazi. She's thinking, oh, I'm in a similar situation near Vuyokazi and I don't know what to do. My baby dad does not care about me. He doesn't love me. He's doing whatever he can to get rid of me. I don't know where to go. But looking at Vuyokazi, progressing in life, doing well for herself, it gives that young girl out there a hope to say, if I walk away, I can start a business, I can start a YouTube channel, I can go back to school. If Vuyokazi, she was able to walk away with 2 kids, why not? I still have a chance to live my best life. It's not like we hate Vuyokazi. If you look at Vuyokazi, guys, she's living her best life and we're happy for her. And we see young girls to learn from Vuyokazi to say it's okay to walk away. It doesn't mean that you need to stay there begazilla just for you to begazilla. You are begazilling because maybe the guy has money or his family has money, like Abompumelelo, guys. Sometimes you need to walk away. God will bless you more. Look at Vuyokazi. Now she's going to take it, guys. I don't know whether she's going for a vacation, whether it's a work, because of Vuyokazi, guys, she's an influencer, a content creator. She already has a successful YouTube channel. You never know. We're gonna find out. But anyway, guys, we just want to say congratulations to Vuyokazi. Ikandale country, live your best life. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. A happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.